Здравствуйте, меня зовут Женя, and welcome to our series on the Russian alphabet. So actually, Russian is one of the top 10 most spoken languages in the world with over 250 million speakers, which is a lot.
That is a lot of people.
All right, so let's look at the alphabet as a whole. So the Russian alphabet has 33 letters. In red are the vowels, and there's 10 of those. In black are the consonants, and there's 21. And then in green here are the signs, and there's 2 of those. And so we will look at all of these letter by letter in our next video and the sounds that they produce. So I want to do a quick phonetic exercise with you. So
Okay.
I've got these 2 letters here, and I'm going to add some letters around it, and we're going to see how the sound changes.
Okay.
All right, so,
Bear.
okay, so it's that go.
Eh. Mhm.
All right, what about now?
Break.
Okay.
Ache. A.
A. What about now?
Peak.
So
So
E.
E.
So it changes. To me, it
Yes.
sounds like it's changing constantly.
Yes, it does.
The nice thing about Russian is it's mostly a phonetic language, so that means what you see is pretty much what you hear.
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe
Sounds
Russian
easy
is
enough.
easier than English.
I'm excited because it is a completely different alphabet compared to the English language.
Yeah, I think by the end of it, you'll see that it's really not that hard.
Yes. I'm looking forward to having you help me piece by piece, conquer the Russian alphabet.
Absolutely.
So subscribe to our video so you don't miss out on a thing, and you're able to then learn more about the Russian alphabet with Jenny and myself.
And if you're ready to work on your spoken proficiency, Mango Languages Russian course is the best place to start.
Thanks for watching.
До свидания.
Bye.